got right back in the ditch.
He's still in the ditch?
He about to turn over on his side. He made it out.
He made it out. Ah, he made it out. What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another rally reaction. We're super excited to get into this video, guys. If you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit that red subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell because we're on the road to 50K. And we cannot get there without you guys, alright? Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let's get it. Easy.
Okay, they good.
Woo! Spark plug.
It's always fun to watch them fly though.
Hold it together. It's all good. Oh, he knocked down the street pole, boy. Woo! Ooh, I like how that one look. Oh. This is a small street. He looked like his tires wasn't ready for the, I think he hit something.
He hit the wall, the little brick wall.
Yeah, he did his course right. He dirty. His whole car dirty. Yeah. Yeah, that was sweet. Do you have a favorite design yet?
A what?
A favorite design, type of model car?
Not yet.
They have the Beauty Bug one. They have the van one looking.
Not the van. Definitely the little smallest car. Like that.
I think these are mine. They look more like jetty and
they look more
speedy.
In control. Come on now, don't fail me. I just said you was in control. Yeah, but those
that's a move, boy.
Like it's meant for, rally racing.
These are hills right here.
Woo!
And that one. Those two right there, that's a sport ones. I like them as well. Oh, he done caught up with you. Woo! Made him eat some dust. Yeah, he must go off the track, my boy. He wants to move off that track,
that would be
my boy.
Me in the back, y'all. I will take my time, okay?
I'm glad he didn't hit the lumber. Yo, they got a rush. Let's get it. Ooh, they got their umbrellas. They chilling in the wilderness with their umbrellas. Oh.
Where you go?
Hop out. Come on, hop out.
Door not opening.
Yeah, they got out. They got out. Look, there's another angle. Is it? Whoa, something wrong with that spot.
Yeah, something wrong with that that little turn right there. Woo! See, the SUVs, it's so easy for an SUV to turn over on its side.
I'm seeing that now. Is you right?
It's when they doing rain, sleet, snow. He missed the cars.
And the people.
And he went between the people. What's this, y'all?
He just look like he gonna hit a mailbox, huh? But he did that.
I think you let it to somebody's yard. It's loud.
Yeah, it's really loud.
Tässä hyvä esimerkki siitä, kuinka yrittänyttä ei laiteta. Missään vaiheessa.
Like they're not hitting the brakes, they going. They eating, they going.
He made it.
Tämä Jyväskylän suurajoissa 1990.
I think back in the ditch.
He's still in the ditch?
He got right back in the ditch.
He's still in the ditch?
He about to turn over on his side. He made it out.
He made it out. Ah, he made it out. All right. Woo! The snow.
They don't care what type of weather.
Yo, whoever out there killing it in the snow, shout out to you because you're doing your thing. Come on, man.
They're going to help.
Yeah, so they do go help him. I see. Okay. I think they need to do a better job of getting some of these courses nice and cleared out. Even the off-road sides of it, like
they say it's the public roads.
So there's no cleaning it up.
Yeah, it's the roads that people really drive on.
Nice. Uh-oh. Still flipping.
Did the airbag come out?
I was gonna ask that. We don't have airbags in these cars. Ain't no airbags.
It is dangerous though. I mean, with this
airbags are dangerous.
Sport,
yes.
It would be dangerous for them to have an airbag.
100% right. You're right about that.
But you know, they do have their helmets on, so that's some protection, you know.
But look at the stability they have when they do get in a wreck.
Yeah.
So no need for an airbag.
The people! Ooh! Oh my Lord! Ooh, Lord. It looks fun to watch, it really does. But man.
I feel like some of them ask for the hardest course. I like this one. This is a good setup right here. Nice. That's a good setup right here. Y'all have never seen this before.
That's somebody's house!
I've never seen this happen before. Okay. Wow.
Oh, miss your camera by
Wow.
inches.
That's a tight turn.
They have a lot of tight turns. I think they go and search for the hardest routes.
Say, hey, give me the hardest route. I'm gonna drive 140 on it.
And they doing more than 140, baby.
Way more.
All the people right there.
And they don't stop. They just keep going. Yeah, he
tried
wigged
to
it off.
Yeah.
I think this is the best spot to be.
Huge jump from here.
Oh!
Imagine being out there, you see the car coming right to you. You can't, like I said, you can't bring kids out here.
You can't predict where the car gonna flip to.
Right.
Man, yo, they racing that, bro. Hold up, wait a minute. We gotta put some brakes in it because if we continue to just watch these guys pull out how they be pulling out, we gonna continue to slam into stuff. Like we hitting the curves and we not even trying to really brake because I feel like that brake slaps one time and then they back on the pedal. 100%, like
they got
non-stop.
some good brakes, I guess, huh?
Shout out, but I'm about to give a shout out, but I'm not. I'm gonna say it like this: the fact that they are so dang, what is the word I want to say right now? They're in disregard of anything that tries to stop them.
Right, they keep going.
They keep going. They're like the Incredible Hulk on wheels.
Fearless, determined to get to that finish line.
Determined, for real. Like, that has one video we was watching, guys, when a guy hit a parked car. The tire went in the back window. Then he peeled out on the car. While the man was still in the car looking at his family or whoever was inside it, he just kept going like, sorry.
The man that was in a ditch.
Which is the scariest wreck that you've seen so far in all of these videos?
In the water upside down.
I was going to say that. The water's scary.
Y'all giving me a headache. Y'all giving me a headache.
We all in this together, though.
Yes, I'm enjoying
this.
But I got a headache at the end of these. Like, not a lot of things could leave me speechless.
Mm-hmm.
But this right here, y'all some brave souls.
So I did make a mention. I was like, can it get any spookier? And it has been proven it can. I have seen some very traumatizing accidents.
Yes.
I have seen some beautiful maneuvers of courses whenever these, they doing their thing. And at the end of the day, it's like, yo, it does get really, really, really fascinating. And it does get really, really spooky. So
now I see why drag racing is so quick to get shut down.
Yeah.
Because this is like, and they're just going in circles, busting wheelies, and
telling you, man. You took me for my birthday. You took me to go drive a Porsche.
Yeah.
And I went on the track and everything, but I want to go do the drag racing on the cones next time.
You want to go do it?
But I want to do it in my own vehicle.
Yeah.
I want to have my own personal vehicle where I can go do that. Yeah. I'm a good driver, so I think I can knock it out.
We're gonna set that up. Y'all want to see that?
Not the rally version, but like this, like the NASCAR version. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that it's down the street.
I could do that. I'm a beast.
All right. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see y'all soon. Peace.